A stitch application is a specific sewing technique that you can do with a selected stitch. So basically, stitch applications are the different things that you can actually do with your machine. To show how this works, let's start with the most basic stitch of all, the straight stitch. There's a wide range of stitch applications that can be done using the straight stitch. You can, of course, sew seams, but you can also do quilt piecing, sew top stitching, embellish with edge stitching, do machine basting, sew decorative stitching, do free motion quilting, be creative with thread painting, stitch layers with channel quilting, add interest with echo quilting, attach different types of trims, do raw edge applique, sew twin needle hems, make twin needle pin tucks, create gathering, sew pleating, insert piping, whether your own or store-bought, make narrow rolled hems, sew understitching for facings and more, stay stitching for easier garment construction, and darning to do mending and repair. Explore what you can do with your machine by visiting the Stitch Applications Guide on the Singer website.